So hello and welcome to this beautiful session where we are discussing effective communication will be the key for success after this pandemic. दोस्तों आज का टॉपिक जो है ये बड़ा ही शानदार होने वाला है क्योंकि हमारे जो गेस्ट है वो एक सक्सेसफुल ऑथर, पब्लिक स्पीकर, कम्युनिकेटर, एक्सपर्ट इन कम्युनिकेशन है। जी हाँ, आप उन्हें सुनेंगे तो आप भी बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्टफुली इसे सीखने में मजबूर हो जाएंगे। सो आज का ये टॉपिक आपकी जिंदगी बदल सकता है दोस्तों। सो आखिरी तक जरूर देखिएगा। ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट दिस सेशन। सो दोस्तों आज का ये सेशन जो है, जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था इसके प्रमोशन के वक्त भी, कि आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं कुछ ऐसे टॉपिक जो इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन से आपका जिंदगी बदल सकते हैं, आपकी जिंदगी बदल सकते हैं। तो आज का टॉपिक है दोस्तों, इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन विल बी द की फॉर सक्सेस आफ्टर दिस पैंडेमिक। सी दोस्तों, मैं ऐसे बहुत सारे टॉपिक्स, ऐसे बहुत सारे टॉपिक इसलिए ला रहा हूं क्योंकि मैं चाहता हूं कि हम साथ में मिलके कर सके ब्रेकअप विद दिस कोरोना एंड वी विल फाइट बैक टू बी सक्सेसफुल अगेन एंड ग्रो अवर करियर एंड बिजनेस। तो आज के हमारे जो स्पेशल गेस्ट है दोस्तों, ही इज नन अदर देन सर नागेश जोंधले, फाउंडर ऑफ IE सेंटर, Amazon बेस्ट सेलर, ऑथर, इंटरनेशनल लैंग्वेज ट्रेनर, करियर सक्सेस एक्सपर्ट। दोस्तों इन्हें मोर देन 18 इयर्स का नॉलेज है इस पूरी फील्ड में और इन्होंने अपने उम्र के 28 मींस एज ऑफ 18 से स्टार्टअप किया था दोस्तों। 2003 से इन्होंने स्टार्टअप किया है ये जर्नी। सो चलिए लेट्स वेलकम सर नागेश जोंधले ऑन दिस स्क्रीन, ऑन दिस प्लेटफॉर्म टू डिस्कस हाउ इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन विल बी द की फॉर सक्सेस आफ्टर दिस पैंडेमिक। सो सर वेलकम ऑन बोर्ड, वेलकम टू दिस वंडरफुल शो सर। आपका टाइम हमें आपने दे पाए तो उसके लिए बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया सर। सर वेलकम।
Thank you very much, Smart Shishanji. It's really amazing to see you, such a wonderful and passionate personality who is so young and amazing enthusiasm we are observing in you. Great to see you, Shishanji, and I'm very happy to connect with the digital magnet through the topic which is very crucial in these days. And I'm very grateful to you who has provided this platform to interact with the dynamic viewers. And I will give guarantee, guys, definitely today all we are going to rock with the help of today's session.
Okay, so before starting this show, sir, our viewers, my channel's viewers are curious to know that how did you started this journey, sir? This so far journey, 18 years of journey. Yes, sir. So how did you started this journey, sir?
Great question. Because most of the time we have to start with the journey only, and when journey starts, of course, it moves up and up only, isn't it? So,
yes, sir.
As you discussed, we started these all kind of things from the young age, and in that one, my school teacher role is really very important one. From school level itself, to enter in the different competitions, to participate in various activities, it helped me to communicate more effectively. So from childhood, school, then college, and professionally, I started my career at the age of 18, accompanying iconic police officer, who is none other than Honorable Vishwasji Nangre Patil sir, who is an IPS officer, and currently he is a commissioner of police at Nashik.
Wow.
Top class personality. In my college life itself, he was my role model, and today also he is my role model.
Wow.
Day by day, I worked and I realized that one really it is great one. While working accompany him, within 1 year, I got great skills regarding the computer, because that time I was a computer instructor, and after getting great knowledge and experience while providing training to all the police officers and employees as well as to their children, my first book published at the age of 19 by the name MSCIT for 100% Success, which was the computer literacy book, and for 5 years it was the bestseller, top seller all around the Maharashtra. It was in Hindi, it was in Marathi and English language. Step by step practical efforts were there. Then I shifted to Pune. I worked with the top class, world class organizations, including IBM, which is the global leader. First top 5 companies leader is that one. Then
Wow.
we decided to start the journey to help to the youngsters by our own organization. In 2005, we decided to start that one, and practically we implemented that things in 2010.
Okay. Wow, sir. Wow, such a great journey, sir. Such a great journey.
That is 26 January 2010. It is IE Center. And from, yes, sir, from that day to till day, as you mentioned, 18 years of exposure. In that, we have influenced 350,000 youngsters.
3 lakh.
We have conducted more than 1,200 seminars, workshops, and now these days in this pandemic, 100 plus webinars at national and international levels.
Wow, sir. Such a great achievement. Such a great achievement in this journey.
Thank you, Sushanji.
So continue with this topic, sir. It is my first question to you. Why communication matters the most at every stage of life? Like when we start our journey, like school or in college, or after the college interview, then colleagues, then meetups. The communication is matter the most. Why it is matter the most? Means the English I'm wanted to ask you, sir.
Thank you for such wonderful question, because those people, they know their why, then how is easy, as we know that one. So why English communication is important or mandatory in every stage? Because this is a language where you can connect from local to global people. Right.
Okay.
From local to global. Now, wherever you are, who are you? Where are you? Okay. Either you are a male or female, it doesn't bother you. Okay. When you start to communicate with personalities, so at that moment, how do you communicate? Your way of communication, it creates great impact to the listener. Now, how we connected? Because of communication, sir.
Yeah.
Right. So when we connected with each other because of communication, so every person in his or her life come at different stages, and that person start to communicate, and it's depend on that communication level, your progress also. Either it is career, your life, or any kind of project you are doing. So in that one, communication plays very vital role. And we believe that one. If you are an effective communicator, so surely it will help you to reach a top in a short duration, because those people, they know what to communicate, why to communicate, how to communicate, where to communicate. So at that moment, all things will be open for you. Means all doors of the world open for you. They warmly welcome you to uplift you, as well as to take the great advantage of your expertise. That's why communication is really important.
Very important. Okay. Wow. So is there any secret to learn English fluently, or is there any what can I say, like a shortcut to fluently learn English, or way to speak English very fluently? Is there any secret, sir?
Sushanji, in this 21st century, everybody is going for the shortcut. In reality, there is no any shortcut. We have to give time for that. And what time? In the sense, whatever you are doing, start to utilize that language in your daily conversation. Like start from your family members. Those are your colleagues are there, your friends. Start to connect with such personalities. They do also have great interest to communicate in English. Right. This is the number one thing. And what we do in that one, generally, most of the people, they miss out this number one thing only. They never communicate with their family members. They never connect with their friends who take initiative to communicate in English. So at that moment, we use our local language and we ask that person, okay, keep it. Now we are not going for any job, or we are not in corporate sector. Right. So we use our local language. Either whatever your mother tongue is there, we switch to that one. So here we have to start to use professional language, that is English. And as I told you, once you start to become habitual, so that habit will help you to get more perfection.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Simply, we have to do connectivity with lightly minded people. Like you are the person who is so ambitious. So that's why I connected with you. Like the same, anybody who would like to develop his or her communication, simply connect with such personalities who will help you, who will encourage you, who will push you to move ahead, to communicate more. So that encouragement, inspiration will give you confidence without hesitation. You will be able to communicate with every personality.
Yes, sir. Good, sir. Means hesitation is drawback in our day-to-day life. Like you good say that thing like communicate with your friend and family. It will motivate you. It will also give you a confidence to go beyond and communicate with others also. And one more thing, when I was learning English and when I was not so fluent, I'm not fluent either also. So my friend in Mumbai and Pune also, they give me one example like Shashank, do watch English movies, do watch English podcast. It will help you out on grabbing some vocab. See, all the things is in your vocab. If you have a good vocab and vocabulary is strong, so you can jot down the words and just create one line and start the communication. So is it true or is it just a myth? I'm just asking.
Actually, if you ask to such personalities who never communicate in English regularly, so they will give such kind of suggestions to you. And mostly what our people they do, they take suggestions from such personality who is not perfect in that one.
Not perfect.
Right. If you do have Mercedes, you want to purchase Mercedes, right? So in Mercedes, so take suggestions from the person who is already driving Mercedes from 2 years, 5 years, 10 years.
Yeah, who own the Mercedes.
Means who has that one. And we take suggestions from the person who has Toyota or Tata Sumo. Of course, that difference is there, my friend. So whenever we are taking suggestions from anybody, so we have to find it out either that person practically living that life, utilizing that communication and really reaching at the top place of the success. So that's why some myths are there. Some people, they feel like that my vocabulary is not there. Some people, they feel like that I don't have group skills, stage courage, right? And some people, they always misunderstood what they are communicating with anybody. They feel like that whatever I'm sharing might be other people are getting misunderstood about me. So these are the myths. Correct. These are the myths. So simply, there is nothing to worry about communication. Just start it and nurture it on daily basis.
Okay. And any tips to getting the words like, see, there are many words in English like sorry, that is pardon. Okay, this pardon and sorry. There are many words. So what is your inspiration? Like you said that you have an inspiration with your gurus and all the motivators in your life. So any other inspiration to get these words, new words like book? You can ask me book, or you do Google, or other suggestion if from your side is very grateful, sir.
Surely. Shashankji, most important thing is that when you are working on your vocabulary, so vocabulary you can develop it by daily basis reading. What kind of content you are consuming? Because from childhood we didn't learn everything. Right. We didn't enter in this world by knowing everything. By doing that activity again and again, we become sharpened in that one. Right. So here, to develop the vocabulary or to build vocabulary, number one thing is that start to read quality books.
Books.
And now quality in the sense what? The person who has devoted his or her experience in that book. Like some self-help books are there. So in that self-help books, everything is there regarding that particular topic. Either you are working on your personality or you have to sharpen your communication skills. So in that case, what we can do, by reading that thing, you will come to know new words, right? When that new words are there, of course, your pronunciation would not be that much of clear and perfect. So here you can connect with your dictionary, either online dictionary or if you do have any physical dictionary, physical copy of any dictionary. So it will help you, because when you are searching that particular word, so you see near about 4, 5, 10 another words, right? So once you get that word, you will see the pronunciation of that. Whatever your regional language is there in that one, either English dictionary is there. Otherwise, English. For an example, I am from Maharashtra, so English Marathi. If suppose somebody is from the MP, English Hindi, any regional language we can take.
Okay.
And again in that, once we get the word, pronunciation, meaning, now check it out. How can you use that one in a sentence?
Okay.
Utilization is important, sir. So when you are utilizing it, again you can move ahead and find it out what are the synonyms and antonyms of that word.
Okay.
Right. So vocabulary will automatically get developed. Not that particular word. You are getting similar words, opposite words. You are making sentences. So surely with the help of this, there will be huge vocabulary.
Okay.
Right. Because some people, what they do, sir, in this case, they go for the everyday by reading 5 words, 10 words and mug up them, and then it is not a right way. Simple way is that one, read 1 page, 2 pages every day, 2 times, 3 times read it, then consult with dictionary. Those are unfamiliar words are there or new words are there. Just use highlighter, take dictionary, take any diary or register or anything, and in that one, start to jot down that one. What is the word? What is the meaning? Pronunciation, right? Then sentence. Apart from that one, synonyms and antonyms. So surely within short span of time, 15 days, 1 month, 2 months of journey, you will find near about 3, 4 registered. You can jot it down with the help of that vocabulary and sentences. So nobody can imagine these things.
I was very bothered when I was in school's days, no. So my teacher used to write red marks on my books, like Shishan, this is past tense. Shishan, this is present tense. Shishan, this is past future tense. Means I don't know what the tenses are going on. When we started this communication journey, no. Like I was in college, I was in MBA. So that doesn't matter, past tense, future tense. You understand this, no? You understand this, I understand this. Thus, take the part of this tenses. But tenses are matters when you are doing effective communication and you are delivering a speech in front of many people. So, sir, how to deal with these tenses? I just wanted to know, and my viewers are wanted to know. Yes, sir.
When we are talking about the tenses, actually tenses, it is not that much of essential, but tenses are important. Meanwhile, both things are same. Correct. Why we have to focus on tenses? Because tenses will give you exact idea what you are going to deliver it. Right. From childhood, what is our mother tongue? We didn't learn tenses. Starting. We started to communicate. When you start to communicate, then slowly you start to develop that one. And that development process will help you to become master in tenses also. Because when people are listening to you, when people are following you, when people are giving that much of confidence to you, so it is your moral responsibility to become perfect in that particular area. Like communication, whenever we are communicating, so what to communicate, it is not important. how to communicate that particular word or sentence in an effective way is most
Yeah,
important.
it is main,
Right.
main. Yes,
So
sir.
communication in tenses or whatever the things, that things automatically it comes. Once you give time for yourself, when people
Yeah.
are recognizing you, when you are just climbing one ladder of success, so all
Yeah.
things will come to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, definitely. So, sir, my next question will be related to pandemic. Sir, people lost many jobs. People, due to this
Mhm.
pandemic, people lost their job. So, do communication will really gonna help them out after this pandemic? What do you think, sir?
Amazing question, Sheshanji. First of all, I would like to congratulate to you for taking such a wonderful question,
Thank you, thank you.
because now everybody is worrying about their jobs,
Yes,
right?
sir.
We are having two sides here. One is positive side and one is negative side. So
Yes, sir.
first of all, we will talk about negative sides. So what are the
Okay.
negatives are there? People, as you said, lost their jobs,
Yes,
right?
yes,
Even most of the youngsters, those they are in search of now, no new openings are there,
yes.
right? Some people they are blaming to the government, some people blaming to their management. Even some are there, they are just giving up, isn't it? Because of the
Yes,
media, other stuff. So these are some negative sides of that one. But if you look at the positive side, Sishanji, because we
yes.
believe in terms of, I always believe in terms of positive sides of
Positive.
everything.
Yes, yes,
So
sir.
what is
Yes.
that positive sides? Now look at it. Previously, before this pandemic, how many times did you conduct such kind of sessions? And
Uh,
after that one, how
yeah.
frequently you are conducting these sessions,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes.
Means previously, for an example, once in a month, if you used to connect with the audience through these sessions, now
Yeah.
at least 4 times, 5 times, even 10 times you are connecting,
Yes. Definitely.
right?
Yes.
So this is called multiplication in your presence.
Okay.
Second thing is that one, people are getting online jobs while
Yeah.
sitting at their home,
Yeah. Work
at
from
their
home.
comfort zone. Especially
Yeah.
this is very important for girls and women, because we
Mm-hmm.
work for women empowerment also. So this is
Yes.
really great one for them, because they are utilizing their time for their
Mm-hmm.
family as well as they are doing their professional work also. So there is
Mm-hmm.
no any kind of harmness to them. So that is
Mm-hmm.
also plus point. And
Yes.
those people they are crying of this pandemic. Actually, these people they didn't prepare thoroughly to themselves,
Okay.
right? So what we can do now?
Uh-huh.
What we can do, the simple thing is that one, here you do have great time to utilize it, because again how many days, weeks or months all things are going on, nobody can predict it. Even government or those official people are there, they are also unable to tell all kind of things, isn't it? So we can
Yes.
take great advantage of this by
Mm.
utilizing that time, by enhancing their skills, which will help you to get the job. Means you will
Mm.
become more competent.
Yeah.
Now
Yes.
look at it. Those
Mm-hmm.
companies are there, they terminated, those employees are there from their company. Actually, they wanted to do from several months or years, but they
Mm-hmm.
didn't dare. They
Yeah.
thought like that, okay, let it be. Work is going on. If that person is performing 50%, I'm getting benefit, it's okay.
Yeah.
But after that, they realize that when this person is not that much of fruitful for my organization, so
Yeah.
immediately they terminated. Right. So here, those people they lost their job. My sincere
Mm-hmm.
encouragement to them and my
Mm-hmm.
appeal to them. This is really great one. You got opportunity to sharpen your skills. Give
Mm-hmm.
time to yourself instead of consuming negative thoughts.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, only playing with the games and other stuff, engaging with the negative news, social, those things are there going on. So
Mm-hmm.
apart from that, start to focus on the positivity.
Mm-hmm.
Let me tell you very frankly, Shashanji, in this duration, last 8 months, we are continuously adding more values with our mission to empower you to build powerful nation, and that mission helping us to reach every corner of the nation, even abroad too. So why we
Mm-hmm.
spread our wings? Because ambitiousness, positive thinking, and we focused on youth mindset. Exactly, we know that one. All 100% people will not become positive, but
Yes.
there are 20-30% people are there. They are still having positive mindset. They are ambitious, and due to that reason, we are focusing on such people.
Yeah. Yes.
70 to 80% youth are there. They are happy with that, what things are going on. They are happy with the news. Those entertainment things are there. They are working on that. But our job is that to help to such people. They are ambitious. Even though they lost their job, now they are ready to work on themselves. They are sharpening their communication skills, their presentation skills, their personality, their physical fitness, their mental fitness,
Yes.
isn't it? So lots of things are going on. Those people, they are still in job, they are looking for the promotion. Those people, they are doing work online. So in coming days, they do have chance. While sitting at their place, they can manage the entire states. They can manage the entire country or international clients too. Right. So
Yes.
both sides we have to check it out. So what do you want? Positive sides do you want or negative sides? Finally, choice is yours.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That was a very great thing. And lastly, on this section, not just the last question, but the very important question, though, sir. How you can help our viewers to be an effective communicator if they are working from home, they are not going online or free seminar, or you have special things like you wrote that book. I wanted to know that also, and also I wanted to know how you were training, and what will be your suggestion to our viewers to communicate well with your people, and how they start earliest as possible. Okay, sir. So please, sir.
Fabulous, fabulous, Shashanji. Amazing one. Because most important thing is that one, instead of crying, we have to take action.
Yeah.
Right. So this is my book, which is Amazon bestseller, The Dynamic Communicator at national and international level. It is available. If you just go to Amazon, search The Dynamic Communicator.
Just 1 minute, sir. Viewers, this book link is already mentioned in the description. Go check out this book. I already take this book link to description. Kindly go check. And sorry to interrupt you, sir. Carry on, sir. Yes.
Yes. So as I told you, this book actually published in the month of March.
Yes.
Right. And during the pandemic, we got great sellings also. Those are my close acquaintances are there, mentors are there. Everyone I have mentioned, as I told you, this is the personality, Honorable Dr. Ramesh Jinkole, sir. He has given his review. Apart from that, this is my ideal person, Honorable Vishwashi Nangre Patil, sir. Right. Even the person who has given forward for this book, that is Dr. Puven from Australia.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
She is the lady who has given this forward, because to get this forward at national and international level, it was amazing one. Even my best friend Jeff Earl Gilbert from the USA, who has influence in 57 countries. Now look at, guys, what I am sharing. 57 countries influence is there, and again, this is the man who has given more than 20 lakhs youngsters, Professor Vasupal sir, all around the nation as well as world. 75 countries he has traveled in his last 20 years of journey.
Wow.
Right. So world is very big. And if you go through this one in this pandemic, if you really go through this one, these are my mentors. These are the personalities to whom I really admire. These are my motivators like T. Harv Eker. Okay, if you check it out, Brian Tracy, John Maxwell, Zig Ziglar. These are amazing personalities. If you start to read these people, mind-blowing changes. Even those people, they rejected you, they terminated you, you will get great benefit from that. Right. And as per the title, everything is there. Those people, they know English very well. For them also, those people, they don't know English very well. For them, as you were talking about tenses, Shishanji. So tenses in a very deep manner we have given. All tenses in a very effective manner we have given. Apart from that, how to give introduction, how to give your introduction, how to start.
Okay.
Everything is there.
Everything is
Right.
mentioned there.
Even telephonic conversation, one-to-one
Okay.
conversation, one-to-many conversation.
Okay.
And those people,
Wow.
they are feeling my English is very good. For them, we have advanced tips.
Okay.
Advanced steps to become the dynamic communicator, and these steps are amazing one, guys. Amazing. Even how do you communicate with your friends, family members, everything we have mentioned. How to start your presentation. So all kind of things already included in this book. You may go for the Amazon, click on that one. Even there are some options are also there, like Kindle version is also there. Those
Wow.
people,
Wow.
they love to read on mobile or their laptop, or different gadgets are there, so they can read on that. Even those people, they love to, by keeping their hand, to read this one. Amazing
Yes.
one.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So
Wow, sir. Great.
time when we do have these kind of things, we have to go for it, right?
Yes.
Second thing is
Yes.
that one, apart from book reading, only book reading is also not enough, Shishanji.
Yes. 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 Yes.
So accompany book reading, we have to connect with such personalities. Like as I told you, we have influenced more than 3,50,000 youngsters, and we have
Yes.
trained
Yes.
16,500 plus professionals as well as students to groom themselves in their field, right? And there are lots of youngsters, they are getting opportunity to work with the global, like IBM, Satyam, Infosys, Wipro. There are young number of organizations are there. They are openly inviting to our candidates to work accompany them.
Yes. Yes.
The
Yes.
simple reason of this one, why they are inviting, because they want quality people, they want caliber people, and their caliber will help to the company's growth also, and automatically you will also get job. So in that, what is our role is that we will provide you training, step by step training. So through
Yeah.
that training, like we have recently started our branches also out of state. It
Okay.
includes, like we have started in Delhi, we have started in Uttarakhand, in Haryana, and now we do have those youngsters are there from all around the nation, as well as international personalities too. Even
Okay.
now, recently, one of the actress from Hollywood, she has also connected with us. She is
Wow.
taking training.
Wow. Good. Good, sir.
Yes, sir. So why these things are going on? The simple reason is that one, opening the doors to all the personalities, especially those are knowledge lovers. They believe
Yes.
in terms of their communication skills. They want to sharpen their communication skills. So we do have different levels for that, right? So those people, they want foundation strong. So for that foundation, we do have those people, they want to sharpen their English communication skills by 10x. Not only English, it's a communication skills. English, automatically everything will be in English, right?
Okay.
And then to get the master in communication, to become master in communication, that courses also we do. So
Wow.
different courses and different
So if
youngsters
our
are there, professionals are there, according to their interest and gain.
yeah. So one of our viewers will like to join. So is there any number, sir, we can mention in on the screen? Is there any number?
Definitely, Shashanji. I would like to share that number also. This is our office number. You may directly connect to that number. Even you may directly connect to me also. Already now,
Okay. Wow.
those viewers are there from this digital magnet. Really, I would like to
Yeah.
appreciate your efforts, guys. Those they are watching live, as well as those they are going to watch in replay. So everybody can directly connect to us. So the number, please, you may note down, sir. It is 94
Okay.
046
Okay.
43
Okay.
944. Yes,
So
9404643
nine four. Yes, sir. 94
046
046
43944.
43944. Okay. So
Yes,
is this
Shashanji.
one just this is the correct one, sir?
Yes,
940.
Shashanji, it's true. Even those are from out of states, they can add only zero in that one, 094, or those are international people, they can add +91, then 94046.
I had this number was there 8850592933. So is it also correct one, sir?
Yes, sir. Yes, no any problem. This number also you may connect it, sir.
Okay. So I'll just add this number also to my
Great one. You may connect on any number. You will get the positive response from our coordinators. Even they will also connect to me if you really would like to confident about that one, or you want to take serious action. So surely we are with you, because our mission is that one, to empower you to build powerful nation. So that mission will allow us to give our best at any moment, guys.
Okay,
right.
So and viewers, these are the numbers you can surely contact to sir. He is a very great personality. Okay, sir. Any other suggestion you may like to add on to this last bit?
Yes, Shishanji. First of all, really, I am grateful to you who has given this platform to all the viewers as well as the youngster like me, because to express our ideas, thoughts in front of such personalities, it is really amazing one, guys. Wow. So my simple suggestions, or I can say my insistence to you guys, whenever you are looking for your growth, especially as sir was asking about any shortcut is there. So one shortcut also here I would like to share, sir.
Okay, right. Wow.
Are you excited about that, to know about the shortcut of communication skills, to shortcut of success, to shortcut to get the most of the things which you want to fulfill your dream? Are you excited, guys?
Yes.
Yes. I know that all you are so excited. So definitely I'm going to share that one. Number one and most important thing which you can do is to fulfill your dreams, to achieve great success. Okay, success beyond success. So for that one, just hire a trainer. Hire a trainer. Yes, my friend. I did the same thing. So due to that reason, from young age itself, success coming to me, and today also, day by day, more success pouring into my life, in my career too. The simple reason is that one, today also I have hired my international mentors, those personalities I told you guys. I am taking personal training also, counseling from them. And due to that reason, my utilization of time, utilization of money, because I'm investing more time, I'm investing more money for my personal growth. And that personal growth adding to me to build great network. And not only in particular states or country, all across the globe, guys. Right. You can go any corner of the world, you will become topmost successful personality. So hire a trainer who is more capable. And as I told you, hire such person who regularly does exercise of that thing, who implements all kind of things. Like for an example, now, if you are having any financial problem, problem, or your company is suffering from any financial crisis, and the person like, we do have Robert Kiyosaki, who is providing his mentorship. So to whom would you like to hire, guys? To the local person, most of the people, they don't know about him or her, or the person who is international brand, who is master in that one, and he is the most trusted personality. So accompany him or her would you like to take, or from ordinary person?
No, sir.
Of course, we choose that one expertise, right? So here, a very bestseller author who is providing training on daily basis. I am very happy to share, Shishanji, our IE Center, we are the only one training institution all around the nation as well as world who provides live training on daily basis.
Live training on the daily basis.
Wow. Yes, sir. Recently, we have done 100-day challenge course that is for youngsters, especially. Those are from 2nd standard to 8th standard. For them, we launched that one. And yesterday, only on 25th, we had done 100-day challenge live training all around the nation as well as globe. right? Apart from that, we are providing this training for the elders also. For leadership program, we do have personal mentorship, right, through these programs also. So definitely you may come, take the great advantage. You will get great atmosphere, even though it is live or offline, online or offline, it doesn't matter, guys. Currently all we are in online mode. Now you are watching this session, we are interacting with each other. It is just because of the technology. We must be thankful. Technology is very easy to us, and it is connecting to us all around the globe. Isn't it, Shashanji? So surely every user, every viewer, they may take the great advantage of this pandemic for your growth, guys. Because nobody, other people are not going to help you. You are the only one person who is going to help you by taking the right decision. And one simple thing I would like to tell you in that one, 97% people, they wait for perfection. 97% people, they wait for the perfection, and only 3% people, they take action. 3% people, they take action. So be the action taker first.
Yes, sir.
Be the action taker first.
Definitely.
And I would like to conclude by your permission. One quote is there which I really love, that one. Always remember, guys, success is when two of you fall in love. Success is when two of you fall in love, you and your work. Yes, guys, this is my wonderful quote which I have mentioned here also. At the end of the book, you will find that one, even at the start of the book. So lots of things are there which we can do for each other. Give us opportunity to yourself. And once again, we are very grateful, Shashanji. Because of you, we got such a wonderful viewers also. Those they are watching live, as well as those they are going to watch in replay. So please, I request to all of you, go for this. Take the great advantage. And in coming days, those program Honorable Shashank sir is going to introduce, take the participation of that, because I believe that he is such a wonderful youngster, guys. Now, if you look at him, what kind of charmness is there, enthusiasm and passion. So definitely such youngsters only build the nation.
Thank you. Thank you.
And for that reason only we believe that when this bonding will keep going, Shashank, and again in coming days, any kind of topic will be there regarding how to face the interviews, right? How to select the career, or how can I overcome on my procrastination, laziness, any topic. We are ready to give our time for you, for your organization, because we love energy which you are giving to the youngsters in this pandemic. So please, guys, overcome on it and give your best.
Yes, sir. Just a quick replay and just a quick conclusion, and just I will end up this topic, sir. Thank you. First of all, thank you very much, sir, for your time. Because the time is money, as I told my viewers earlier, and I wanted to tell you, if you invest time, it is cash back to your money and your growth in any situation, like in business or in career. So just a quick replay and quick conclusion, guys. Today's event topic was effective communication will be the key for success after this pandemic. हमारे गेस्ट थे आज सर नाकेश जोंधले सर. उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से हमें ये समझाया कि उन्होंने कैसे अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट किया था. जैसे 18 साल से भी ज्यादा उनका जर्नी हो चुका है. कम्युनिकेशन मैटर द मोस्ट, उन्होंने बहुत ही काबिल तारीफ तरीके से उन्होंने बताया. सीक्रेट टू लर्न इफेक्टिव फ्लुएंटली इन English in less time. Due to pandemic, people lost their job. So क्या pandemic में communication हमारा अच्छा होगा तो हमें क्या job वापस से मिल सकती है, या फिर हम अपना career या business और आगे बढ़ा सकते हैं. So उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से हमें ये भी बताया, suggestion दिए, बहुत सारे suggestion दिए. और अगर आपको कभी भी इनसे कांटेक्ट करना है, सर से कांटेक्ट करना है, so आप कभी भी इन्हें कॉल कर सकते हैं इन स्क्रीन में दिए हुए नंबर से. दोस्तों, लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, मैं सभी को थैंक यू करना चाहूंगा आप सभी को कि आपने जो आखिरी तक देखा. और सर, थैंक्स टू यू. और लास्टली मैं इस कोट में इसे कंप्लीट करना चाहूंगा. ना संघर्ष है ना तकलीफ है, ना संघर्ष है ना तकलीफ है, तो क्या खाक मजा है जीने में, बड़े बड़े तूफान थम जाते हैं जब आग लगी हो सीने में। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच गाइस, थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू फॉर योर टाइम। See you soon right there. We will fight back and we will break up with this corona. So thank you sir, thank you for your time and bye sir. Thank you. Bye bye.